Hey everyone, I'm Ben from the Academy of Geekery, and today, guys, I'm just covering a little issue that I've had with my latest video recordings that I haven't managed to be able to put up onto my channel. Basically, what happened with them is there's been way too much wind noise in the videos, and I don't know if it's got to do with where my mic's positioned in relation to my mouth, or if the fan's up too high, because normally that doesn't affect it, or some other factor, I'm not sure. But basically, it means I'm going to have to record a bunch of new videos and just scrap all of those previous ones. Now, that's all well and good, but I'm currently in the holidays and I don't have time to record. All those videos I recorded last year, before the holidays, and now I am just busy. I don't have time by myself to record, time in a quiet room to be able to record my videos, which is a serious problem. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do my main video series until the holidays are over, but we'll see. I will try my hardest to get videos out, but there may be big delays between videos. See you guys, thanks for understanding. Hopefully I get the videos out soon, and yeah, hope to see you in those.